Good morning, student. Welcome to our English class. As you know, in my last video, I told you that I will tell you the summary of lesson Alice in Wonderland. I explained the lesson in my last video, but today I tell you the summary of this lesson. The story which revolves around a girl. Her name is Alice. It portrayed different adventures and problems faced by Alice as well as their solution. In this story, one day Alice and her sister was lying under a tree, and her sister was reading a story. Suddenly, Alice saw a white rabbit who is wearing a blue coat. He had pink eyes and he is carrying a watch also. And the rabbit can talk also like us. Like us means like a human being. After seeing this, she thought something is different about this rabbit. Why she thought this? Because he never seen this type of rabbit who can talk and who wear the cloth also. So the Alice wondered, and Alice want to know about this rabbit. So she followed the white rabbit. When she was following the rabbit, she saw the rabbit pop down a large rabbit hole. Pop down, rabbit jumped into a large rabbit hole. After this, Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole, and she went down and down into the rabbit hole. When she was going down into the rabbit hole, she thought, what she thought? She thought, I will slip through the earth to the other side, because she was not having any idea where she is going. But after some time, she landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile of dry leaves. Okay. She looked around here and there, but she was very amazed, and she looked that rabbit again. The rabbit was running. Then Alice stand up, and when she stood up, she saw a very small door which was 15-inch high. Only 15 inches high. It is very small, so Alice can't go through it. Then she saw a glass table, not wooden. What she saw? She saw a glass table and a golden key. Which key? Golden key. Sunehri chabi. Golden key was lying on the table. Understand? And where did she landed? Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves, not on grass. She landed on dry leaves. Okay. And when she saw that golden key, she pick up it, and she try it to open that small door. When she opened the small door, the another side of the door, She saw a loveliest. She saw the loveliest garden. Very, very beautiful garden. There were so many flowers are blooming, and there were fountains also. Okay, and a very good fragrance of flowers are coming out from the garden. She also want to go inside the door, but the door was very small, so she was unable to enter the garden. That time Alice thought, if I were smaller, I could become smaller. She want to become smaller. Why she want to become smaller? Because she want to enter in the garden. That's why she want to become smaller. This is only a very small part of this book, Alice in Wonderland, written by Lewis Carroll. It is a very, 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 very long story. In my last video, I told you to watch the picture of this story, which you can find in YouTube and Google also. If you not seen this picture, so I am again telling you to watch this movie, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, student. Now today I gave you some work also. Here it is. True and false. These all true and false are based on your story. Your first true and false is Alice was reading a story. Do you know who was reading a story? Alice was reading a story? No, na? It is a false statement. So I written here false. Who was reading the story? Alice's sister was reading a story. Rabbit was wearing a red coat. Is it true? No, it is also not true. What was the rabbit wearing? Rabbit was wearing a blue coat, not red. Okay. Number 3. Alice followed the white rabbit. Is it true? Yes. So I written here true. Alice was a curious girl. This statement is also true because she want to know about that rabbit who was talking and wearing the cloth also. Okay. Alice was burning with jealousy. After seeing the white rabbit, Alice was burning with jealousy. It is false. No, she was burning with curiosity. Okay, so I written here false. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Yes, Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. It is Alice, student. Number 7. The rabbit could talk. It is also a true statement because that rabbit was talking. So it is true. Number 8. Alice wished to become smaller. It is also true. So I written here true. She wished to become smaller because she want to go into that beautiful park. Alice saw a small door 15 inches high. It is true or false? It is also true. So I am writing here T only. Place is not only here, na? So I written here only T. Yes, the door was only 15 inches high. The last true and false is there were many cool fountains in the garden. Yes, this statement is also true. So I written here T. Now fill in the blanks. The rabbit had duck's eyes and was wearing a duck's coat. Rabbit had pink eyes. So I written here pink. And rabbit was wearing blue coat. So I written here blue. Pink and blue is the right answer. The rabbit took out a big duck from his waistcoat pocket. What the rabbit took out? The rabbit took out watch. So I written here watch. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. He jumped into a rabbit hole, na? So I written here rabbit hole. Fourth, Alice saw a glass table with a key on it. What the Alice saw? Alice saw a glass table with a key on it. After this, Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She landed on a pile of dry leaves. This is the answer. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. That key was golden, not silver. That key was golden key. Okay. So I written here golden, and table was made of glass, not wood. It was not a wooden table, it was a glass table. Don't forget these things. The table was made of glass and key was made of gold, golden key. Number 7. There were flowers and fountains in the garden. What were there in the garden? Flowers and fountains. If you seen the movie, you can write other thing also here in place of flowers and fountains. Dax is the writer of lesson Alice in Wonderland. Lewis Carroll is the writer of lesson Alice in Wonderland. Student, here I gave you some homework. Make sentence as your homework, which you have to do yourself. Story. You can write here Alice in Wonderland is a very good story. Yeah, I like to read story very much. Now second is hurried. Hurried means to rush. My grandparent hurried to the hospital. My grandparent hurried to the hospital. You can write here I hurried to the school also. After this, disappeared. You can make sentence. You can make this sentence also. The tiger disappeared into the jungle. And next is the tension had completely disappeared. Okay. Now whiskers. My cat has brown whiskers. And next is lion has whiskers. Now this garden. There is a beautiful garden. And next is there are so many beautiful flowers in the garden. And last sentence is your word is your fountains. I like to see the fountains. And next is fountains are those fountains are very beautiful. So student, this is your homework. You have to do these all words. You have to make the sentence for all these words using these words. Okay. Now thank you student. Bye bye.